hurt
hurt
the
the
people.
people.
That
That
means
means
you are
you are
violating, you
violating,
are
you are
making
making
chaos
chaos
on the
on the
society, on
society,
the
on the
system, on
system,
the
on the
government.
government.
Am I
Am I
right or
right or
wrong?
wrong?
Yes,
Yes,
you're
you're
right.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
people
people
do.
do.
You can't
You
do
can't do
nothing. There
nothing.
is
There
a
is a
devil,
devil,
of
of
course,
course,
always
always
working on
working
it.
on it.
So you
So
have
you
to
have to
fight
fight
this
it this
thing.
thing.
Yes,
Yes,
you're
you're
right.
right.
Yes,
Yes,
exactly.
exactly.
But
But
again,
again,
I
I
have to
have to
say
say
here,
here,
like
like
literate
literate
person,
person,
like
like
not
not
talking
talking
about
about
literate
literate
actually.
actually.
Like
Like
if you
if you
are
are
learn,
learn,
so
so
in
in
this
this
case, you
case,
will
you
be
will be
getting the
getting the
knowledge
knowledge
about the
about the
right
right
and the
and the
wrong.
wrong.
Maybe
Maybe
maybe you
maybe
are
you
a
are a
literate
literate
or
or
illiterate.
illiterate.
Just like
Just like
before you
before, you
already
already
told
told
us,
us,
like
like
there are
there
a
are
lot
a
of
lot of
people who
people who
literate,
literate,
but
but
still
still
they
they
consuming
consuming
alcohol.
alcohol.
Even
Even
alcohol
alcohol
is
is
haram
haram
according to
according
our
to our
Muslim,
Muslim,
like
like
books or
books or
something like
something
that,
like that,
right?
right?
So
So,
and
and
so
so
another
another
thing
thing
is
is
like
like
it
it
completely
completely
depends
depends
on
on
the
the
people
people
what
what
exactly
exactly
he's
he's
following,
following.
Yes.
Yes,
If you
if you
follow
right?
follow
your
your
desire,
desire,
of
of
course
course
you'll
Hmm.
do
you'll
a
do
lot
a
of
lot of
things.
things.
Either
Either
he
he
literate or
literate or
illiterate.
illiterate.
There is
There is
Yeah, either illiterate or
yeah,
illiterate.
yeah.
yeah.
So
So
it
it
completely
completely
depends on the
depends on the
people
people
what
what
exactly they
exactly they
want,
want,
right?
right?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
And
And
honestly
honestly
speaking, like
speaking,
there are
like
a
there are
lot
a
of
lot of
people
people
who
who
literate,
literate,
and
and
still
still
if
if
you're
you're
questioning
questioning
about the
about the
wrong
wrong
thing,
thing,
they
they
guys
guys
provide
provide
some
some
kind of
kind of
excuses
excuses
and they
and they
change your
change your
mind
mind
also.
also.
They
They
Yeah,
have a
yeah,
have
lot
a
of
yeah.
lot of
excuses
excuses
about the
about the
same,
same,
right?
right?
Yes,
If
yes,
If
of
like
course.
suppose I'm
I'm
talking
talking
about
about
your
your
friend,
friend,
I
I
don't
don't
know
know
like
like
your
your
friend
friend
is
is
consuming
consuming
alcohol or
alcohol or
not,
not,
any kind
any
of
kind of
drugs or
drugs or
not.
not.
But
But
if
if
you
Mm-hmm.
you
trying
trying
to
to
say
say
whether
whether
this is
this
not
is
good
not
for
good for
health,
health,
it
Mm-hmm.
is
it
not
is not
better,
better,
it is
it
not
is not
better for
better for
you,
you.
and
And
even
even
like
like
in
in
Islam this
Islam,
is
this is
haram.
haram.
So
So
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
he
provide you, he
provide you
provide you
some
some
kind of
kind of
excuses.
excuses.
So
So
you
you
said
said
like
like
yes, you're
yes,
right,
you're
you
right,
can
you
keep
can keep
continue.
continue.
I'm not
I'm
saying
not saying
anything.
anything.
So there
So
are a
there are
lot
a
of
lot of
people.
people.
Yeah,
So
So
that's the thing I mentioned about it.
you know
You know
about
about the
exactly.
thing.
exactly.
It depends on
Yeah.
the people. It depends on the people.
What they
What they
think,
think,
how
how
they
they
make
make
their
their
life,
life,
how they
how they
live
live
their
their
life.
life.
It
It
depends
depends
on
on
that
that
way,
way,
that
that
things.
things.
You
You
can
can
there
there
are
are
two
two
ways
ways
you
you
can do.
can do.
You
You
can
can
lead your
lead your
life
life
in a
in a
straight
straight
way,
way,
or you
or
can
you can
do
do.
you
You
know
know
that.
that.
Yes,
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 exactly.
exactly.
Because I
Because I
feel
feel
like
like
people want
people
to
want to
live their
live their
life
life
uh,
uh,
according to
according to
own,
own,
right,
right,
whatever they
whatever they
want.
want.
That's the
That's the
most.
most.
Yeah,
A
a
lot of
lot of
people
people
like
like
this,
this,
but you
but
have
you
to
have to
follow
follow
some
some
rules,
rules,
regulation for
regulation
your
for your
own
own
benefit.
benefit.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Well,
Well,
just leave
just
it.
leave it.
What
What
about
about
like
like
you
you
are
are
live in
live in
UK,
UK,
and
and
Mhm.
what
what
about
about
their
their
governments?
governments?
Like governments
Governments
provides
provides
about the
About
about the
what?
facilities I'm
facilities I'm
talking
talking
about.
about,
Like
like
Okay,
about the
facilities.
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 Okay,
Okay,
facilities.
facilities.
Let me
Let me
talk
talk
about the
about the
facilities.
facilities.
It's
It's
good
good
because you
because
are
you are
paying the
paying the
tax and
tax and
everything in
everything in
proper
proper
way.
way.
So
So
that
that
means they
means
are
they are
providing you
providing you
at
at
least
least
everyone
Everyone
paying the
paying the
taxes
taxes
over there,
over there,
or is
or
there
is
any
there any
slab? Not
slab?
not
everyone
everyone
who's
who's
just like
Just
in
like in
just
India.
India.
No, no.
no no.
If it, no,
No,
not
not
like
like
this.
this.
Let me
Let
tell
me
you,
tell you,
who
who
working,
working,
paying the
paying the
tax.
tax.
Who is
Who
Who
is
working,
working,
who is
who is
working,
working,
who is
paying the
working,
tax.
paying the
yeah,
tax? Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Either
Either
he or
he or
she
she
is
is
doing a
doing a
labor
labor
job,
job,
or
or
like
like
Whatever.
doing a
what
What
kind
kind
doing a
of
doing a
profession.
profession.
profession?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it's
not
not
depend on
depend
the
on the
profession.
profession.
If you
If you
pay
pay
working
Mhm.
working
that
that
much
much
certain
certain
amount of
amount of
money,
money,
you have
you
to
have to
pay
pay
the
the
tax.
tax.
Then brother,
Okay,
Okay, just
brother,
okay,
Okay,
brother,
Najib.
mhm.
Islam.
You know?
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
How much percentage in your salary you are paying?
It's
It's
like
like
18%.
18%.
18%.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Okay,
18.
I heard about that 13% I have to pay in my salary.
Not
not 30%,
depend
depend
on
on
how
how
much
much
you
you
earning.
earning.
Suppose you
Suppose you
earning
earning
40
40
lakhs
lakhs
Mm-hmm.
in
in
year.
year.
Mm-hmm.
That
That
means you
means
have
you
to
have to
pay.
pay.
No, you
No,
have
you
to
have to
pay
pay
20% if
20%
you
if you
earn
earn
40
40
lakhs in a
lakhs in a
year.
year.
Uh,
If
If
you
you
if
if
you
you
earn
earn
more
more
than
than
40
40
mm-hmm.
40
40
lakhs,
lakhs,
Mm-hmm.
That means you have to pay more 20% on that money.
Okay, as much as your salary is increasing, then your tax is also
As
increasing.
your salary increasing,
Mhm.
you have to pay more.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay.
That is the
So
system.
it is same like India.
Yeah, same like India, same like Bangladesh, same. But in our country, what they do? They are doing.
Well, I don't know. I don't know the taxes slab of Bangladesh, but I know about India. Like, suppose if people are earning until 12 lakhs, until 12 lakhs in a year, so they don't need to pay any kind of taxes. This is just for the new regime. According to the old regime, candidate, if candidate like earning around 5 to 7 lakh in a year, so they need to pay around like 12,500 something tax in their salary. But as of now, government has changed their regime, and according to the new regime, like if candidate earning around 12 lakh in a year, so they don't need to pay any tax. But if he or she getting 12,000, I mean 12 lakh 1,000, like just a 1 rupee more than 12 lakh, so he or she need to pay around like 20% on their salary, or rather than, like, suppose if he is getting around more than 15 to 20 lakh, then he need to pay around I believe 25, 18. It means there are some slots available. So according to the slots, candidate need to pay. I'm not talking about candidate. Actually, salaried person need to pay the taxes in India, because there are a lot of businessmen who are like I need to say who are earning around 50 lakh in a year, or like 20 lakh in a year, 30 lakhs in a year, but they guys don't need, they guys didn't pay any single rupee tax to the Indian government. I saw this thing. I saw this thing. Whoever is working in a corporate area, whoever getting the salary in their account, they guys just paying the taxes to the India government. Otherwise, like I'm talking about the businessmen. They did not pay any kind of taxes to the India government, because they know the like path how we can save from the taxes in India,
The loophole they do.
right? Exactly. And what about UK? In UK, they guys do the same thing, or what? Like
Some
businessmen.
people, yeah, some people are doing this thing, but still you have to pay.
Still
At
you
least
have to pay.
certain amount of money you have to pay. Otherwise, you can't, because HMRC and those things strongly, review those things, those file and everything. You have the business, so yeah.
So
So
people
people
do,
do, here you have to pay the tax. You can't do nothing with this.
Okay, yeah. But in Saudi Arabia, like one of I don't know the name of the person, Mr. MP
My name
is
is
in
Salman.
Saudi Arabia as of now. Sorry? Oh, Salman.
Yes.
Yeah, so Salman, I believe like you don't need to pay any kind of taxes in Saudi Arabia. Am I right or not?
Yeah, you are
Because
right.
there is no tax.
Yeah.
I heard it.
Yeah, you are right. I don't need to pay on my salary. But if
It's a tax-free country.
not a free country, if I am buying any thing from here, then there is a 18% of tax. Like as if
So
I purchase
see,
I purchase the recharge, or I am taking anything from market, then I have to pay 18% of VAT. Here it's calling tax VAT.
okay, and what about like eating, consuming product?
Consuming percent,
Like
consuming and eating and all have a 18% tax. And
all the things having 18%.
yes, yes. If
I don't know who said, but I heard like in United Kingdom there is no tax on bread, because someone said like in 10 to 15 years ago, if the bread price was like 5 rupee. So as of now, the bread price is 5 rupee in USA, because there is no tax on bread. I heard this point.
Okay, here is in the Saudi Arabia. Here is also one
Mhm.
in a one real you can take roti, five roti in a one real.
Okay.
In
In a one real, you can take around 5 pieces of roti.
yes,
You said, right?
all the Saudi Arabia, this is the rule. You cannot take more than one real. I means who is seller, they cannot take more than one real for a roti. Okay, then
Yeah, so that's why I'm saying, because I heard it.
yeah, but I think you are confused. You have a confusion regarding of Saudi Arabia and UAE. UAE, most of cases there have they are tax free, but in the Saudi Arabia, not like that.
Okay, well, honestly, we need to say here, like you said, you just paying 18% of taxes, most of the things. So you are just paying 18% of taxes, whatever you are buying.
Yeah,
You are not paying the taxes on the salary also.
no.
In India, we don't know the employee, like salaried employee, how many times paying the taxes to the government. Whenever he is working, he's getting the salary.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose he's getting around 1 lakh in a month.
Mm-hmm.
So honestly speaking, brother, if he's getting around 1 lakh in a month, he just got the 70,000 in their account. 30% deducted in the taxes. I'm talking about a month. I'm talking about the month. I'm sorry if I said year. So I was wrong. I'm talking about the month. If he is getting 1 lakh in a month,
Mm-hmm.
so 20 to 30,000 deducted in the taxes at the same moment, and he just got like 70 to 80,000 in his account.
Okay.
This is the first. This is the first time when he like deducted the taxes. Again, now he is going to buy something.
Mm-hmm.
Like suppose if he's going to buying a bottle only,
Yeah,
he need to pay taxes,
there have also
right? If he's going to buy, yeah. So there are like candidate salaried employee. Again, I'm telling,
Yes.
salaried employee need to pay multiple of time taxes. So this is the very bad things in India
Yes,
in terms of taxes.
This kind of question
You
I have
said,
also, brother.
yeah. You said like you are just paying 18% of taxes. So this is just a one time of tax you are paying
Yes.
to the government whenever you are buying something.
Yeah.
If you are not buying anything, you don't need to pay any kind of taxes. You got the complete salary. If your salary is 5 AED, something like that. So whatever your salary, you will be get the complete amount into your account.
Yes, you are.
They will not deduct any kind of tax. Yeah, so this is the good thing, Ashki.
But brother, you said if you are getting per month salary 1 lakh, then government is cutting something around 30 or 20%. But
20, yeah.
okay, but yeah, suppose that in the January month someone is did the overtime and collect uh, something around 1 lakh, then government cut this. But after January month, February month, he did the to less work and not earning too much money and not he is doing overtime. Then he means now he can get a salary only 50,000. Then in the year this is the deposition of
See,
under
I
12 lakh, right? Then how?
I understand. No. I just giving you the example,
Mhm.
and my question is just like I'm not saying the taxes. Like suppose if you are a salaried person,
Mhm.
so there is a accountant. Accountant will not deduct your taxes from the same month. In India, the financial year started from the month of April,
Mhm.
and it will end the month of March.
Mhm.
So if you are a salaried person, you will get the I believe like total salary in the month of April also, total salary May, total salary of June, total salary of July. Like 4 to 6 months you will be getting the total salary. And whenever, like suppose you are getting 6 months salary from the company, so the accountant count your total money, total earning in 6 months, like how much you earn in 6 months, and they know like what is your salary. They know what is your salary. So according to the total earning of the year, he try to deduct your taxes every month from your salary. So they did not like deduct the salary from the same month of April. Because like suppose if you are doing job somewhere, if you're doing job somewhere, if you're an employed person and your salary is around like 1 lakh, for an example, is your 1 lakh. So it means you will be getting like 12 lakh per annum package.
Yeah.
And until you are getting 12 lakh per month, like 12 lakh package, and you are getting some incentives also. Incentives means like, so every month you are getting around like 1 lakh 20,000, 1 lakh 50,000, 1 lakh 40,000. So it depends on the incentives. So the total earning would be more than 12 lakhs. And accountant knows this thing, like how much you will be getting, how much you will be getting. Once he feel like you are reaching the limit, at the same moment he will deduct your taxes from your account. So that's why I said, and the most rust, the most rust, or I need to say like very cheap process in India is in India. This is the taxes. Taxes is not good in India. Suppose you are taking a taxes from the salaried employee or the businessman. At least you guys need to provide the services also.
Yes, exactly. They are taking
There is no service. There is no service.
Yes.
Mr. AI. Mr. AI live in United Kingdom as of now, like in England.
Yes.
If he is paying the taxes to the government, at least he got the services from the United Kingdom, right?
Yes.
From the government of United Kingdom.
Yes,
So there is no service at all. This is not a good thing in India, actually.
I think corruption is on peak in the India.
Yes.
It's
Now,
a big problem. That's
Mr. AI, you there?
brother. That's why Indian economy is dropped this year. I think now Indian economy is sixth number.
See, I don't know like what is the number here in
Sometime
economy,
ago,
but
I read on the article. Yeah,
Hmm.
yes, UK crashed the number one. Not a number one. UK crashed the India.
you can ask to Mr. AI if you want. He said the same thing whatever I told you. If he's paying the taxes to the government, whenever he like in England, like if candidate not working, so he can file the unemployment. Whenever he file the unemployment, he will be getting the some kind of amount for the for self feed. He can easily survive their life without getting any kind of money from, or without getting any help to someone else. Because government provide the services over there. In England, this is the same thing. In United States, this is the same thing.
And in the India, government is also providing per month 5 kg ration per person.
Oh, that's a cheap thing. This is nothing. It's a foolish thing. It's a foolish thing. But this is bullshit.
Yeah, this is bullshit, and people are happy. Some people are saying proudly, Modi government is giving us ration 5 kg per month.
No. They just trying to playing with the peoples of life in India.
Yes.
They are playing, yeah, they are playing with the life of Indian people.
You are right.
And honestly speaking, in India, the most important thing, like Modi government provide the every time just one funda, Hindu khatre mein hai.
Yes,
This is
yes.
the
Exactly, exactly. Their government
so
is
every time.
only one target: Hindus and Muslims. That's
Yes.
that's why
They're
they
just
are.
doing they're just doing.
Yes, sir, that's why they are in the power, because Hindu people are not understanding
Yeah.
what they are doing. They are thinking that they are good for me. They are good for Hindu people, but they are not thinking about the humanity, about the country, about
No.
the economy. They are blind people. And in the India, actually, I'm coming from northern part of India. Then there is population is too much, and there is too much Hindu population. Okay, then lots of seat coming from northern part of India, and who is become the prime minister. He is also decided from northern part of India. Then these kind of people mostly living in the northern part of India, and northern part of India, the in the India, mostly weaker state, like a UP, most most populated
In
state, and
all over
Bihar.
India, in all over India, you can see there is no, if you feel everywhere there is no work at all after coming in power. They just you told us they are providing 5 kg
Rasan.
rasan
Yes.
to the people,
Yes.
and people are happy. People are happy. So why they are providing anything else? If people are if people are happy just getting 5 kg ration, then why they are providing anything else? In India, no one talk about like education. In India, no one talk about in employment. In India, no one talk about on medical facilities. In India, no one talk about road facilities. Like people are paying the taxes to the Indian government, but Indian government did not provide any facilities to the people.
Yes, yes.
You know,
You are right.
the air quality is not good here in India. If you live in Delhi, if you live in Noida, if you live in NCR region, honestly speaking, like suppose if you are, I'm talking about the India part only. In India, if you all live in uh, we need to say like Ooty or like Pahadi, like area.
Hill
So
area.
yeah, your age minimum, I believe 70 to 80 years. And if you live in NCR region, people are just people ages is just around like 50 to 55. So
Exactly, you
why
are right.
the reason behind, because there is lot of pollutions, and they are not providing any services. If you are questioning with the government why air quality is not good, so the guys saying you can just
By the
you
air,
can just
by the air purifier.
air fryer. Yeah. So if air quality is not good and candidate need to buy air purifier, if like hospital facilities is not good,
Good.
so candidate need to serve private
Yes,
hospital,
private hospital.
right?
If
So
water is not
if
clean, then you need to buy the water purifier.
water purifier, like if candidate need to pay for everything, then why he or she paying the taxes to you? This is the main question, but no one answering on it.
Yeah, yeah.
No one answering on it.
But but honestly, yeah, all over the world, if we talk about the in top 10 temple. Okay, then 8 temple is in the India. Okay, if we talking about the top 10 mosque, there are 3 mosque in the India. But if we are talking about the university, uh, top 10 or top 100, top 100 is also not coming, top 200 is also not coming in the India, top 300 is also not coming from India. Right.
Yes, you're
You're
right.
right. We are very less, or you can say uh, we are the first. Uh, we can get the first position from the downside, not on the top side.
Yes,
In the terms of education, yeah, in the terms of education,
yes.
yeah, this is not good things as in India actually.
Education is
All
system
right.
is also very bad, and who is handling education? They who are uneducated people, and uneducated people, they are
See,
they have a power, and they have a universities and college. You can see in the India, who is the biggest university or college, their owner is related to, from politics, politician.
mm,
Yes,
yes,
you're
you're
right.
right.
All right,
All right,
well,
well,
Mr.
Mr.
Salman,
Salman,
nice
nice
talking to
talking to
you.
you.
Yes.
Now
Now
it's
it's
time to
time to
sleep.
sleep.
Yeah.
We have to go.
Yeah, in the India,
What
What
time it
time
is
it is
in?
there is too much
in?
time.
It's
It's
around
around
1
1
p.m. in the
p.m. in the
night.
Oh
night.
my
And what
And
God.
what
about in
about
you,
in you,
like
like
Saudi
Saudi
Arabia?
Arabia?
Yeah,
What
10,
time
What
it
time
is?
it is?
10:34. It is 10:34.
Okay,
Okay,
10:30
10:30
p.m.
p.m.
Yes, yes,
Right?
Right?
yes, yes.
And
And
here is
here is
around
around
1.
1.
What's going on in the UK right now? Abrar,
I
I
think
think
Mr.
Mr.
AI is
AI is
not
not
here.
here.
are you
We are
We
sleeping
are
just
now?
just
talking to
talking to
each
each
other.
other.
Mr.
Mr.
AI is
AI is
not
not
here.
here.
All right,
All right,
well,
well,
Okay.
okay,
okay,
bye.
bye.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much.
much.
Nice
Nice
talking to
talking to
you.
you.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Okay,
Okay,
good
good
night,
night,
brother.
brother.
Good night.
Okay,
Okay,
good
good
night,
night,
brother.
brother.